Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to send your PayPal referral link. You can easily share this unique link with friends and family, allowing them to sign up for a new account securely. This process helps both you and your friend earn exciting rewards, often around $10 for each. It is a straightforward way to expand the PayPal community and benefit from their new account safely and quickly. To begin, simply log into your PayPal account, making sure your connection is secure. Once inside, look for the Refer a Friend or Rewards section, typically found on the main dashboard or in your account menu. Your personalized referral link will be clearly displayed there, ready for you to copy. This link is unique to you, ensuring all your referrals are correctly attributed. For the referral to be successful, your friend must sign up for a brand new PayPal account using your unique link. Following their sign-up, they need to securely link a bank account or a payment card to their new profile. Both you and your friend become eligible for a bonus, typically $25 each, once they complete a qualifying transaction, usually $50 or more. Once you have located your referral link, the next step is sharing it effectively. You can easily copy the link from your PayPal account and then paste it into a text message or an email for direct sharing. Additionally, consider posting it on your social media channels like Facebook or X, formerly Twitter, to reach a broader audience. Remember to share responsibly and only with those who might genuinely benefit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.